Hi friends! Welcome back to the studio. My name is Kaylee, artist and teacher of Moonstruck Creations, and today we're going to be trying something a little bit different. It's the beginning of the year, there's lots of stress going on, so we are going to practice a little meditative watercolor. We're going to use watercolor as a way to relax and practice mindfulness. This session is all about letting go, letting flow, and finding joy in the process. No pressure, no perfection, just you, your palette, and a sliver of peace. If this sounds like something you need, be sure to click that subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Let's dive in. hope you had fun with this one. I hope it was nice and relaxing and meditative and everything you needed it to be. If you enjoyed this, I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on social media so I can share your beautiful work. I hope you leave this session feeling a little bit lighter and a little more connected. Once again, be sure to subscribe if you'd like to follow for more tutorials. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye.